Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Mint mobile voicemail password. And it's really easy and simple to do this. So first things first, you would go ahead and open the phone app and click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, the Mint mobile app. Then you want to go ahead and select settings and scroll it down to voicemail. And then right here you'll see this option to change PIN. You just click on that option, just enter your current PIN and then click on continue. And then you'll be prompted to enter a new PIN and just go ahead and click on continue, and you have to enter it again to basically verify to confirm it, and then click on OK and your PIN will be changed. Really that easy and simple. And if you have forgot your voicemail PIN, you need to reach out to your carrier for a reset. So I hope this guide was of value to you, and if it was, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.